Hi, this is how you remove the ear cups on the JBL Live 780NC, a process that is a little bit on the stupid side, at least in my opinion. Basically, what we want to do is that we want to insert a small little tool, in this case I'm using a guitar pick, in this little cutout between the ear cup and the body of the headphones, and then go around the whole ear cup and carefully pry the ear cup outwards, making the clips it is held in place with come undone. Here, firstly, be extremely cautious, and I also highly recommend not using anything metal because you will end up damaging the plastic on the headphone side of this little job. Now, after the first clip has popped up, we then keep making our way around the whole thing until the ear cup eventually comes completely off. There. Putting everything back together or putting on a new pair of ear cups though is a lot easier. Here, just make sure that the R or L up the top of the headphone side is the same as the R or L in the right or left ear cup respectively. Then the ear cup just snaps back into place like so. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.